I'll follow that up with a story of my own. I also get my first introduction to OpenCV in 2011. So exactly the same year, that's when Qualcomm started a CV team, R&D team. And so everybody was forced to study OpenCV. Because you get the source code, and we learned it's open source, and you get the source code, you implement on your PC, and you look at all the functions. It's like a vast amount of functionalities provided on this, in this library. But I think it helped us as a team to later on to really realize, oh, OpenCV is that popular for a reason. So today, I want to talk about OpenCV, how at Qualcomm we plan to accelerate this OpenCV library using our all the computational resources available on Snapdragon platforms. Yeah. So today, I think we'll cover the following topics. First, we'll talk about why we think OpenCV is so popular, what you can do with OpenCV. Second is we want to show what we plan to do to really accelerate OpenCV. We want to achieve the best performance and also low power consumption on Snapdragon. So heterogeneous computing, like I said, will play a very big role in that. Then we will also give examples of how we plan to accelerate OpenCV and its performance comparison with the native OpenCV implementation. So this is going to be, I think, one example I think I'll show is motion estimation and optical flow. And last but not least, we will talk about the rollout schedule, our planned rollout schedule, which will happen this year, and also the benefit to the CV app developers. All right. Before I get to this slide, I think I didn't see Satya here, but Satya, I saw him in the hallway earlier today. We're good friends. So he will probably give you the complete history of OpenCV. And actually, the slide deck he shared with me has 10 pages of OpenCV history. But I want to tell what I know. OpenCV became available in 2000, I think. That's when they did the beta version introduction at CVPR 2000. And then since then, they have get to the version called 4.9. I think in the 4.8, or 4.5, that's when they introduced the deep neural network. And also this year, the OpenCV 5.0 is about to roll out. So really, over the years, of this 25 years, there are many versions of evolvement of OpenCV. It is the most popular and also has the largest audience of the world. I think it has a lot of value to all the CV developers, to the CV community.